advertising on this channel nationally will cost you one 10-second spot will be around 20,000 bucks. Okay. Now, if you have noticed here, we have played it by slicing market to market. So there is a different ad at the same time which is running in Gujarat. There is a different ad which is running in Maharashtra, and there is a different ad which is running on rest of the India. Okay. That's what we provide. The platform as a national TV, which is the most ideal suited for the brand building. Otherwise, as you see today in terms of national TV, this is the scenario. You want a particular market to be targeted, but you have to buy the entire nation. So there is a lot of wastage. With Amagi, this scene is changed. We are there in this business since last 3 years. What you need to do is choose your territory. You want, suppose, only Maharashtra, or to be specific, you want only Indore as a town, for example. Choose that town, choose your channel. Obviously, it has to be from Amagi Bouquet. I'll show you the bouquet. Plan your media campaign. Be a part of this national advertising environment, because a person, your end user, or the viewers who are seeing your ad will never realize it is running only in Indore market or only in Maharashtra. For them, it's a national advertisement which is happening, right? So the way they perceive your brand is in that level. And the reality is you have actually paid only 15 to 60% as per the territory. So if you have chosen only, say, Indore as a market or say Patna as a market, you will end up actually paying 10% or 15% of the amount of the national cost. And you are there in the market which matters to you, not across the wastage. So that's what we call smart advertising on television. We have close to 15 plus channels. We are present in close to 100 plus towns nationally. We already have close to 1,500 advertisers. We are doing business of 1 million seconds per month. And we are there since last 3 years. So what are the TV channels which are available? 10 Sports, Zee TV, one from movie which is UTV Movies. We are there in Times Now, CNN IBN, Zee News, IBN 7, CNBC Awaaz, Zee Business, Zoom and Nick. If you see, we have tried to have a bouquet which is one from each different genre. One from GC, one from movies, one from sports. And news, obviously, it requires a larger bouquet. And you can do, for a larger brands, you can do a multiple campaigns region-wise, different campaigns for different region. So if you have a Godrej requires a higher share of voice only in, say, Himachal, they can actually do only Himachal-based advertising by particular product. You can choose to have at the same spot, by reducing your cost by 50%, you can choose to play different spots on a different locations. So at the same time, you are running a different car advertisement in different part and obviously a different brand. You can have a location specific for Gujarat. If there is a Maggi requirement of garlic and onion less Maggi, they can actually go for Gujarat specific product only for Gujarat, and rest of India, the base product. Then again, you can choose your territories. The idea is to choose your territory and save your 70 to 80% of the cost without compromising on the platform. Now, other than this, we also have demographic wise advertising also. Suppose there is a brand, a jewelry brand who wants to target only SEC-A or SEC-AB. Then you can actually pay only for advertisement on only Tata Sky customers, and you can target only Tata Sky customers nationally on these bouquet of the channels. The beauty is nobody comes to know that it's available only on Tata Sky.